Did you know we spend around 90% of our lives indoors? In today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how to design your dream living room from scratch. First step, define your vibe. Start with how you want the room to feel: calm, bold, cozy, or vibrant. This emotion will drive your color choices, furniture styles, and lighting. So before you get into the furniture and layout, let's figure out the vibe. So before jumping into the layout, it's important to think about how the space will actually be used. So for this living room, it's not just about looking good, it's where the family gathers to watch TV, spend time together, even sneak in a bit of work. So we'll be planning for a cozy seating zone, good TV view, a quiet little corner that doubles as a home office or a study nook. Next is layout. Map your walkways, focal points, and make sure furniture supports how you actually live, not just how it looks in a catalog. So in this layout, I want to show you how just the map of your room, the actual layout, can totally change how the space feels and functions. Here the TV is placed in a spot where it not only blocks the flow of the room but also catches glare from the window, making it hard to watch anything comfortably. Plus there's a piece of furniture right in the walkway, so moving around feels tight and awkward. Now look at this same room but just a few small changes. The TV is now positioned to create a cozy dedicated seating zone near the window, no glare and better flow. And the study area, it's nicely tucked away in a quiet corner so it feels separate but still part of the room. We have even used the wall behind the desk to add a bookshelf and some clothes storage. And the last one is to choose a cohesive color palette and layering in lights, decor, etc. So now I'm starting with the TV wall. You will notice there is an opening on this wall, maybe it leads to a corridor or another space. Because of that, we don't want to overcrowd it. Design isn't about filling every wall, it's about balance. So here I'm keeping it simple. TV sits nicely in the center of the remaining wall space, and right next to it I'm placing a tall indoor plant by the window. And now for the lighting, I would go for a big pendant light overhead. The style of the pendant can really set the tone. Something sleek for a modern vibe, or more textured if you are going cozy and layered. Now let's talk about the other wall where the desk is. It is a perfect spot for a quiet home office or a study room. To make it work functionally and look great, I'm layering the lighting here. The desk lamp, of course, some under-shelf lighting to softly illuminate the workspace. That way it doesn't feel too stark at night. And right beside the desk, I am sketching in a bookshelf, tall and simple, with clothes storage at the bottom. You can tuck in books, papers, or even kids' toys neatly. And just to complete the scene, I am placing another leafy plant beside the shelf to keep that balance and bring some green to this side of the room too. Can you guys guess what I have done on this particular wall? If you found this helpful, I have got more room by room design tips coming soon. Don't forget to comment below with your biggest living room struggle. I might sketch a solution in my next video. Hit subscribe so you never miss a makeover. Thank you.